Inhale and exhale. So simple, but so important. In this video, our Illona is going to explain you all about how to use your breath to take your practice to the next level. Enjoy the lesson, guys.
So about a few questions that you have asked us, there's one thing that you can keep in mind is that with your breathing, so when do we know when to inhale, when do we know when to exhale, and how to fit your breathing with your exercise. So remember that when we inhale, we're expanding the chest, we're opening the chest, we're breathing air in and therefore becoming bigger. So it's always about moving away from the body on the inhale. And when we exhale, it's usually coming back to the body because again, we're exhaling the air, our body is coming back together, and it's the opportunity to bring yourself back together. So for example, inhale, hands up, and exhale, we fold forwards, coming back to the body. Inhale, press your heart forward, flat back. And exhale, both hands down, jump back to plank pose. Inhale, we stay. And exhale, we lower this way. Why are we exhaling on the fact of lowering down? It's just because also remember that when we exhale, it forces us to engage our abs. And therefore, whenever we need to have a really deep and strong abs engagement, we can exhale. So in boat pose, if you feel like it, and chaturanga, if you feel like it, in little transitions like that. Knee to nose, for example, we usually exhale, just because again, it's coming back to the body, but it's also allowing us to have the support of the abs engagement happening. So just keep in mind, inhale away from the body, exhale coming back to the body. And this way you can just have this reminder to have with you for your practice.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you want to learn everything about over 80 different asanas, along with other content as well, we have created an amazing course called PlayPauseYoga. Click on the link below and get your free trial today. And if you haven't gotten it yet, this is the PlayPauseB deck. This will help you create your own sequences and construct your own self-practice, letting you be more focused and deepen your own practice. So I will leave the link for this one also below, and I wish you a wonderful day.